Alright fellas, today's topic, we're going to look at the Beckett Simonon double monk straps. What's good, y'all? This is Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. So last week I hung out with my guy, the Style Jumper, and we were talking about shoes, and one of the shoe brands that I had told him about was Beckett Simonon. However, he had never heard of the brand. Hey bruh, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I ain't never heard of Beckett Simonon either. I thought about it and I said, I wonder how many other guys haven't heard about Beckett Simonon. So today, we're gonna look at the brand of Beckett Simonon. In particular, we're gonna look at the double monk straps. This is not a sponsored video. Beckett Simonon is a direct-to-consumer brand that sells high-quality shoes at a great price. How do they give you these great prices? Now what they've done is they cut out the middleman so that they can provide the best quality and give you the best price that could probably match up with some of the higher brands that you see in these retail stores. When you go into retail stores, the shoe brands that the retail stores are selling have to produce mass quantities of shoes. The retailer then spikes up the cost by 3 times of what they got it from the wholesaler. They're able to give you these shoes at a higher price, but the quality doesn't match up with what you're looking for. They manufacture these shoes in-house, which shows that they value their work and their quality, and they value their employees. Hey Dad, can I get an application? They also manufacture in small batches. That way they don't waste a lot of materials and products, which can be great for the environment. Now I've been looking at this brand for a while. I've even reached out to them to see if they wanted to work with me. Within the last month or so, they've reached out to me and they sent me a nice pair of Beckett Simonon shoes. What? Alright fellas, let's take a look at the shoes. So first thing you'll notice is that when you open the box, there's a tag here. It breaks down everything that you need to know about the shoes. One thing that I did not mention is that these shoes are handcrafted. That's one of the benefits of creating these shoes in small batches, is that you're getting a very high quality shoe. They also come with a dust bag, which is what you can expect when you purchasing shoes of high quality and also at its price range. Come on Dad, man, you teasing me bruh. Can I see the shoes? So this is the shoe here. It's a double monk strap brown shoe, and I love the shoe. It looks great whether you're wearing a suit or whether you're dressing down. If you want to wear these shoes, they look awesome. They also come with insoles as well, which gives you a little more cushion. It also comes with the booklet to tell you about their company, how the shoes are made and what fabric they're made out of, how you take care of your shoes. They also give you a coupon that gives you 20% off your next purchase. Hey bruh, let me get that coupon though. Now these shoes are made out of a full grain calf leather upper. Full grain leather is one of the highest qualities of leather that you can get with a shoe. What full grain leather offers is a shoe that's very durable, that's breathable, and that will look better over time. Now when I feel the leather, it's very smooth. You can tell that they didn't have to buff out anything, any blemishes or anything like that, which shows you that the leather is high quality and it's very soft as well. Now the insole is also made out of full grain leather, which is also great because again it provides that breathability that you want. And then when you're wearing your shoe and your feet are sweating, your shoe won't hold all that odor in the shoe. The shoe also has Blake stitch resolable soles, which can be replaced and will last you a while if you take good care of your leather uppers. That's very important with a shoe, because a lot of shoes, when you're putting the leather onto the sole of the shoe, they're using cement or glue, and it doesn't provide a lot of durability, and the shoes don't last long. The benefits of having a Blake stitch sole is that you can get these shoes resoled. If you end up damaging the shoe just lasts you for a long time. Having a Blake stitch sole is a great thing and shows that the shoe is made out of great quality, and it also shows you that the shoe is gonna last you for a long period of time. You get all that for $199? Now when you're purchasing these shoes and you're deciding what size you wear, you want to go with your actual size. So with my experience from these shoes, I feel like they're very comfortable and they look very stylish. Also looked at a video just the other day. It was 2 YouTubers that are cobblers that work on shoes. All this talk about cobblers is making me hungry. They took the shoe apart, and what they thought of the shoe was that it's very high quality, that this shoe presents certain character and quality that a shoe like the Allen Edmonds would provide or other higher quality, higher end shoes offer. So just know that even from a cobbler, a person that works with shoes every day, that they recommend this shoe. And if you're interested in checking out that video, I'll link it in the description below as well, so that you can see that I'm not just talking stuff. You know, my integrity is on the line. I want you guys to really trust me, and I want you guys to feel that what I'm bringing to the table is great quality. So one of the disadvantages of buying your shoes from Beckett Simonon, it could take you up to 8 to 12 weeks to receive your shoe. But you figure if you're getting a shoe that is high quality at a great price, you can't really beat that. If you buy the shoe and then in the midst of the 8 to 12 weeks, you decide you don't want to get it, cancel your order and you get a full refund. They offer free shipping, free returns, and free exchanges. I like free, so it's worth taking the time to look at the company, and it's also worth purchasing your shoes from them. So fellas, if you're interested in checking out Beckett Simonon, I have a link in the description below where you can check them out. And also it might be a code down there for you guys to get a certain percentage off your sale. Hold on, Dap. You mean to tell me if I use your discount code, a Dapper AR, that I can get 20% off those shoes? See, man, that's why I mess with you, bruh. You be looking out for your boy. Shout out to all my Dappercrats out there. Please make sure you hit the like button because it helps my channel. If you're new to the channel, we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get compliments. So if that's what you want to do, hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. And always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.